good morning, guys. We're pulling up to Lifestyle Salon Suites. How's it going this morning, my people? So, this morning we have a late start this morning. Pretty much, I left out late this morning. I have my coffee already. There's some coffee done already. But yeah, I come down to the salon. I never come yesterday. Yesterday is a weekend. Today is a Monday. So pretty much, I never come here yesterday. Reason for that is on a Sunday. Most Sundays nobody not really work on a Sunday. So it normally stay clean, you know. But today, I start going there real quick, get a quick clean, and then see what I go on from there. But morning, guys. I hope you have a beautiful morning this morning, and having a beautiful morning this morning. It's nice and sunny this morning. It's kind of hot here in Atlanta. Just a little news weather in the morning. Yeah. But yeah, as I said, it's a beautiful day. It's kind of hot. It's 80 something degrees already, I think, and it's morning time. It's just the dead of summer right here in Atlanta. For the whole week, last week, it's been in the 90s. So pretty much it's hot every day. The AC, them and all them, something they struggle to keep up, pretty much, you know. But other than that, we're gonna take care of this. Hopefully we can get some good news with the Peppers project this morning. We turned in we submitted a few things already. So we're just waiting on you know, we're just waiting on them to receive it and review it, you know. But yeah, we're there. We're gonna get the salon clean up real quick, and then, you know, and we get the permit, just in case you don't know, we get the permit for the Peppers project for the grease trap. We got that permit already. So sometime this week we'll try schedule to get the grease trap tank, you know, delivered, like get a date so that they can start digging it in order to get that going. So give me a few, guys. I go see what I go on in terms of yeah, I go see what I go on in terms of that. I'll get with the plumber so I can order all can put a schedule, set a schedule for start digging and stuff like that. I already talked to him already. We have a plan when it comes to as far as that, but the dates, we have to lock in the dates with the company we supply the grease trap. So give me a few, guys. I go inside, get this place clean real quick, and then me make you know what I go on in terms of the next move for the day. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I'm at the salon. We got pretty much the halls clean, front, back, everything clean out there in the hallways. But I have this chair. It's like a little chair, hallway chair. This is what's going on with it. You see it? The legs is loose. So it's flipped upside down now, but I'm gonna tighten it up. And in order to solve this, is them chairs you assemble. You notice everything is loose. You assemble it. It comes in, you know, comes apart, and then you assemble it. So by people sitting on it all the time, every day, it gets loose. These screws right here, they back out and it gets loose. So in order to solve that problem, I'm gonna put these brackets, these L brackets, like one right here. You know what I'm saying? And then one back here. So what it does, it keeps it from you know, moving side to side. Let me back out, go back, and you can see it. See, it's like a rectangular chair. So when they sit on it, it moves side to side, and then the screws get loose. So whenever the screws get loose, it becomes loose, and then it's not safe because it'll fall over. Somebody will sit on it and it will fall over. So in order to remedy that problem, we just use some brackets like this, put them in like this, and that will stop it from it'll brace those corners so it won't, you know what I'm saying, go tilt from side to side. So I'm gonna get that done real quick. There's 2 of these chairs out there. I already did it for the one that's in there out there already, and that hasn't loosened up. So I'm gonna do this one as well. So give me a few, let me get that done, and then I'll put it back outside and, you know, test it out. There's one out here, let me show it to you. Yeah, that's one right there. So this right here, see that? So pretty much put this right here. Put this right here, and then there's another one in the back. Alright guys, so see, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it right here. There's a screw right here, but I'm gonna leave that one and just screw this one and then these 2 right here. I was hoping I could find some smaller ones. I have some smaller ones where it stops right here, but I'm just gonna make this one work. I'm gonna screw this one and then self tap another one right here and leave that hole right there. So let me get to it, guys. Let me drill that up real quick. So this is a screw I'm going to use. It's got a self tip, drill tip on it in there. You see it? So I'm going to use those. So let's start with this one. Yeah, and guys, this metal is it's not very thick. This metal right here is real thin, so you ain't gotta, it's thin like paper, guys. It's not even you could probably use a sharp punch and just hit it with your hand and it punctures. So see how quick it bore. Like, it's not even, doesn't even take no effort to bore. But yeah, so see, now I'm gonna bore this metal, which is thicker, so it's gonna be a little bit more energy to bore. Alright, make a bore up this one now. So see, this one I'm not gonna use this hole because this hole falls where the original screw was. So I'm gonna put one right beside it, pretty much. See, so now we got it like a L shape, so it's not gonna, you know, rock, and it's much more sturdier. It's not gonna come loose now with this. I did it to the other one. It's been a couple months now, it hasn't come loose. So this one, this little bracket works. So any one of you guys who have any kind of chair like this you bought on Amazon or from those Chinese vendors, it's gonna come in pieces where you have to assemble it together. It's good to put one of these brackets there, you know, even though it's new. If you sit in it a lot, it's gonna end up coming loose. So it's good to just put a bracket, you know. See this one right here, I'm gonna put it on the opposite side. That way it's, you know, I could put it on all 4 corners, but if you have one on this side, this one holds it, you know what I'm saying, hold this side, and then that one over there will hold that side. So it won't, you know, side to side, it won't go anywhere. From front to back, because when you sit in it, it doesn't, this is the shorter side, this is more sturdy. So you ain't gonna have it loosening up this way. You know what I'm saying? All the screws goes in from the side this way, not this way. So you find that it's loosening up from this end as opposed to from this end, back and front. So let me get those going on that side, and then this chair will be all done. So then, the reason why that last one is it's harder to bore because I'm drilling through this tough bracket as opposed to the thin metal. So as you can see, what I didn't use this hole because the existing screw falls right there, so I bored a new one right there. So yeah, that is it. This one is nice and good, sturdy, ready to go. As I said, I used these screws right here. They have a little self-drilling tip on it. It's Phillips head. You know, I'm a trusty old Black & Decker. Never failed me yet. So let me take this down. Yes, it's nice and firm now, you know. Let's see. You know, it's nice and firm again, you know. It won't go side to side, it won't go front to back. With those brackets right there, it's nice and firm. I mean, the other one, I did it on the other one and it hasn't got loose yet. So I know it works. So anytime you buy a chair like that, guys, if you ever have to buy a chair like this, what they call them, like a bench, and it has those legs that you have to assemble, just buy these brackets from now. It helps. It will never come loose if you put a bracket like this on there. So yeah, so I hit one right there and then one in the back. So yeah, that's it. I'm done here, so I'm gonna get on the road. I have a video to edit. Today's video. I did it yesterday, so I'm gonna drop it today. So I got that video to go edit, and what else? I gotta go figure out what's going on with the plans that we submitted to the county for the Peppers project. So let me get to it. Yeah, I'm pretty much done here. So I'm gonna pack up these things and head on out. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So we getting a screwdriver. So I had bought the sprinkler setup for my house. So there it is right there. There's a hose right here that I normally put the sprinkler on. These sprinklers right here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna cut the hose and attach more than one of these sprinkler on one hose. So if you notice, it's right here. The hose runs along here. So I'm gonna put one sprinkler somewhere right here. See, I'm gonna put another one somewhere right here. See, there's one right there. And then I'm gonna come around the corner. See the hose right there? I'm gonna put another one right here. So that way, whenever I turn the hose on, all the sprinkler turn on at the same time. It'll just water the whole area at once. That way I don't have to be moving sprinkler around and doing all of that. So see, so I have like 3 sprinklers I'm gonna hook up, and we're gonna cut the hose and put these in. That way they could connect to all these sprinklers. So now I get that done now and move on to the next. That way when I turn this hose on right here, when I turn this hose on, it turns on 3 sprinkler and sprinkle the whole entire area. I'll have one at every corner, so it'll, you know, water everything one time. You see me? So alright, so stay tuned. I'll get that done right now. Just need to get a knife so I could cut the hose. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, so set the sprinkler aside. Let's get these things done. Put this. See? Alright. Let's see. So what we'll do is put this on, cut the hose, and we'll put this male in there. See, just like that, and then this is what goes over here and clamp together to hold it. so with this now, we're gonna screw this into this one right here. So we're gonna screw this one on like that. And all we're gonna do is put the female end on this end so it could go on the other side of the sprinkler. Sorry guys, so see, we got this one on, and I'm gonna put this one on this side. Alright, so this one is pretty much good to go. So we'll you know, set the settings where we want it to. Alright, so see, let's test it real quick. here. Alright guys, so we got that one going over there. And we got this one going over here. Then I'm gonna put another one right here, this corner. So let's see. Alright guys, so we got all of them hooked up. So we got that one right there. So let's see if we can turn everything on at once and see what it does.